Hello everyone, today let us learn about creating a bounded context for your data model. This video will show how to create a bounded context in Devum, add tables to the bounded context, display the bounded context in the design canvas, and apply highlight views for different table types within the bounded context. We first navigate to the Data Modeler section and click on Add New, then select Bounded Context. Upon clicking the Bounded Context button, a pop-up opens where we input the display name and description for the bounded context and save it. Next, we click on the Bounded Context tab beside the Entity tab, right-click on the canvas, and select the Map Existing option, which allows us to choose the schemas with which we want to create the bounded context. In our example, we have selected the Employee, Department Designation, Leave Application, Leave Type, and Leave Status schemas. We drag the schemas to arrange the entire bounded context. We repeat this process to add other schemas which needs to be included in the bounded context. In order to complete the creation of the bounded context, we need to add the remaining schemas and organize them based on their relationships with other schemas. This involves dragging and dropping the schemas into the design canvas and positioning them in a logical manner. Once the schemas are arranged as desired, we select the master, reference, and transaction icons for the entity type filters. This enables us to distinguish between different types of entities within the bounded context, facilitating a deeper understanding of the data organization. Therefore, it is essential to carefully select these icons based on the specific needs of the project. Once the entity type filters are applied, the design canvas will display the bounded context in a clear, organized way, making it easier to work with and analyze the data. Thank you for watching.